بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, first of all of you open page 21 in your books. This is page 21. All of you open it. Page 21. Okay, students, today we will do identify and write missing numbers in the given sequence. Identify and write. What we have to do, students? We have to identify that which number is missing. We have to check it that in this sequence of counting which number is missing, and then we will write that number in the given box. I am repeating again. We will continue our counting from here, and then we will identify that which number is missing. कौन सा number is missing? Misplaced है, missing है. We have to write that number in the given box. Okay, students, this is our question for today. So grab your pencils in your hands and start writing with me. So this is part A. This is part A, students. And start counting with me. Hurry up. Okay, students, start counting with me. 12. Which number is missing? What comes between 12 and 14? 13. Very good. 12. Then 13 is missing. Then 14 is here. And after 14, which number comes between 14 and 16? 15. Yes, 15 is missing. Okay, students, first of all we have to write according to the sequence. So after 12, which number? 13. Very nice. So we will write here 13, 12, 13, 14. Write here 13. Very good. This is 13 and this is 14. And after 14, which number comes? Who will tell me? Yes, 15. Write down 15 here. Very good. We have written 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and again after 17, which number comes? 18. Very good. Write down here 18. Okay, students, we have written here 18, and after 18, which number comes? 19. Excellent. We have to write 19. So we have just written here 19, and after 19, then which number comes is 20, and after 20, which number comes? 21. Very good. Write down 21. Very good, students. Now let's check again. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Very good. Now we will attempt part B. Okay, students, now this is part B. And start counting with me. 38. Then which number comes here? Which is missing? 39. Excellent. 38, 39, 40. Write down here 39. Then after 39, this is 40. And which number comes between 40 and 42? 41. Very good. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Write down here 41. Very good. We have written here 41, then 42, and after 42, here will come 43. It's 43 and it's 44, and after 44, we know which number comes? 45. Very good. It's 45, and after 45, we know which number will come here? 46. Okay students, now we will check the sequence that 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. This one is okay. Now we will move towards part C. Okay students, now this is part C and it is starting from 59. So let's read with me. 59, then 60. Very good. So we will write here 60. Okay students, we have written the missing number which was 60, and after 60 it's 61, and after 61 which number will come here? 62. Very good. Write down here 62. Excellent. We have written here 62. And this is 63, and which number will come after 63 students? 64 will come here. Very good. And we have written here 64, and after 64 we have 65, and then which number will come here? 66. So students, this is 66. And after 66 we have 67 and 67, this is, and after 67 which number will come here? Yes, very good, 68 will come here. So students, we have just finished part C. You can see we have just completed this part, and now we will move towards the next part. Okay students, you can see this is part D. This is part D. And we are doing this part now. Okay students, now start checking the sequence of counting with me. We are on 91. This is 91, and after 92 which number will come here? Sorry, after 91 which number will come here? 92. And after 92 which number will come here students? This is 92, and here it will come 93. Write down 93. Very good. This is 93, and after 93 we have the number 94, and after 94 we will write here. Who will tell me? Very good. We will write here 95. And we have written here 95 students, and the next number is 96. And now we all know that after 96 which number will come here? 97. Very good students. We have written here 97, and after 97 it is 98. As you can see, this is 98, and after 98 which number will come here? 99. Very good. And after 98 we have 99 here. So we have written here 99, which will come after 98, and after 99 we all know that 100 is here. So we have just finished this exercise, and we have identified and write the missing numbers in the given columns. And now it's your homework time, students. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class, as we have done the counting and we have wrote the missing numbers in the given sequence. Now it's your homework time. And your homework is you have to finish this exercise. Okay students, you have to finish this exercise which is on page 21. आपने इस exercise को complete करना है, and then you have to share the picture of this exercise in your WhatsApp group, and then you have to share the complete homework and the picture of that homework in your WhatsApp group. Then your teacher will check your homework. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home students. Stay safe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.